On this guide, you will learn how to make and receive a call using the Mitel 609020 IP phone. First, take the phone off the hook by either lifting the handset for handset operation or pressing the speaker handset key. If it's an outside line, you will need to press 9. At the dial tone, enter the number you wish to call. When your party picks up, a timer appears on your display that records the length of your call. To end the call, replace the handset or press the goodbye key. Note, if you are unable to make external calls using certain international or area codes, check with our Unified Communications team to query if any restrictions are in place. Restrictions may be in place on your extension that restricts your access to long-distance area codes or dialing prefixes. To answer an incoming call, lift the handset for handset operation. For speakerphone operation, press the speaker handset key. To end the call, replace the handset or press the goodbye key. Note, if the incoming number matches a contact stored in your personal, mobile or corporate folder, then the contact name is displayed.